you want to know exactly how I got not one, not two, but 3 Louis Vuitton bags for under $1,000, keep watching. That's exactly what we're talking about in today's video. And of course, we're going to be doing an unboxing and a full review too. So just to give you a bit of background, last month was my birthday and I was shopping for something obviously fun for my birthday gift, but I didn't want to get another handbag or go way out of the budget. Then right around this time was when Louis Vuitton discontinued the toiletry pouch, and everyone on YouTube was freaking out, and a lot of rumors started happening that they were going to start discontinuing some monogram canvas prints and their little pouches, and maybe even start to phase out the SLGs. Somehow I was recommended the video on the Louis Vuitton Kirigami set. Now, if you're like a die-hard designer handbag girl and you've seen all these videos already, then this set is not new to you, but it was new to me and it was new to some of my friends that I talked to about it. So I thought I have to make a video because not everybody knows about this. So one thing led to another. I watched a lot of videos and I was like, okay, I really want to check this out. So the thing is that it was sold out online. Luckily, I went down to my local Louis Vuitton at Scottsdale and I got the very last Kirigami to see and touch and bring home in real life. So I don't own any other SLGs that are Louis Vuitton. I have one SLG total, which I've talked about before. I'll link the video up here and down below. But other than that, I thought, well, this is a great kind of way to start your collection. It's within the budget. Suffice to say, it pretty much met all the criteria. All right, let's get down to the fun part. Let's open it up and see what is inside this beautiful bag. So I will say that obviously I have opened it already. I've seen plenty of unboxing videos before. I don't know how you girls don't open your bags. Like, I need to know, I need to feel it, I need to see it, I need to smell it. It's like way too exciting to just keep it hidden. It does come in this little box. Beautiful, had a very nice ribbon on it. I took the ribbon off, full disclosure. It's all neatly packaged inside each other. So what's really cute about this set is that they are basically like little nesting doll bag. So it is 3 envelope pouches that you get and they all fit within each other. I did get the monogram canvas print and I just think they are so cute. So this is the medium size. I mean, I guess it's technically large, but this is the largest of the pouches. And then inside of that one, you will find another small little pouch. And inside of that one, you'll find a teeny tiny little pouch. So, I mean, I just thought it was so darling, and obviously I'm going to go into more reasons of why I got this, but they are just absolutely adorable, and yeah, they are sold for under $1,000. So this particular print is in the monogram coated canvas. It does come in other special edition colors and prints. So right now they do have the one online for the By the Pool collection. I'll insert some footage of what that looks like. It's more expensive. It's not particularly my taste to say. I feel like this is definitely much more classic, but you know, if you really like that style, then that would definitely be one to check out. One thing to note is that the By the Pool collection and the other special edition collections are priced more expensive than the actual monogram print. Okay, so I want to get into a little bit of the logic of why I made this purchase and what might sway you to consider this as well. So the price point of these 3 little bags is $745. I'm going to look over to my computer to reference because I don't have all this stuff memorized, full disclosure, but compared to other SLGs, you get 3 for a pretty decent value. So if you price them individually, and I'm talking about like comparable sizing from other Louis Vuitton products, you're looking at upwards of $1,500 for 3 small bags. So for example, if you wanted to get Kirigami pouch, which has a bag charm and it has a keychain on it, that one retails for $475 alone. So that is the one that's similar in size to the smallest one, this, and the only difference is it really comes with like the Louis Vuitton keychain, you know, and the little holder, and that's $475 just for this guy. I want to do another one similar to this is the coin purse. The Rosalie coin purse is $400 and it's about this size. Now, let's say you wanted to get something that's similar in size to this. You might go for like the cosmetic pouch. Now, again, these aren't like perfect matches, right? Like the cosmetic pouch is a little bit wider than the envelope on this bag. But the cosmetic pouch is $550 for a bag that is this size. Another one that I wanted to compare it to, I don't even know how to pronounce this, the Etui, I'm sorry if I'm totally butchering it, Voyage PM is the same size as this large bag, and that one retails for $580. So again, if you are looking to get 3 Louis Vuitton bags that are around the same sizing as these 3, you're looking at spending over $1,500, and this entire set was under $1,000, which like I said, that was one of the really big selling points for me and really made me consider wanting to get this set. Another one is that I was worried that this might be getting discontinued, especially since it is sold out online and I got the last set in my store at Scottsdale. And lastly, I did not know this. Again, like I said, the Kirigami set is new to me, but I started watching Handbagaholics video, which I'll tag below, and a couple other videos about how you can convert these into clutches and you can buy conversion kits. So they are felt liners that go inside to protect the bag, and then beautiful gold chains. I'm gonna have lots of footage and options for you below to look at, and I just think it makes the bag so cute. So then essentially I'm thinking, all right, I have a crossbody for under $1,000 from Louis Vuitton. I have a cute clutch for under $1,000 from Louis Vuitton, plus these little guys too. Like, I was basically sold. So definitely want to take you guys through what fits inside and give you some ideas on what you might use these for, because one of the things that made me most hesitant about getting them is I was like, what am I going to use them for? So I'll give you some ideas. I feel like I need to justify it before making any large purchase. So the first one I want to address is this, which this is really a card case, if anything. You can definitely use it as a coin purse, but aside from cards, I'm not really sure what else you would use this for. But for me, I don't even have a card holder like this, so it's perfect if I have an evening bag. It fits in my crossbody too. It's actually proven to be a lot more useful than I thought it would be. It's also useful because you can carry obviously multiple cards in there. So right now I have just my Prada SLG, which I use to carry my driver's license and one card, but I don't carry any other cards with me unless I'm bringing a full-size wallet. I will link my video up here and down below on my review on this Prada keychain, because it is like the best investment, that like probably my favorite SLG ever. But anyways, I only carry one with that. So at least with this, I'm able to carry multiple cards at once. The next size up is this kind of smaller size. Now, when I watched the videos, everybody was talking about using this as a passport case. Now, I mean, I don't carry a passport with me on a regular basis, and I don't travel on a regular basis, so I was like, that's a really expensive passport case. I don't know if I'm going to use it for that. I've been using this as a catch-all, and at first I thought that I needed a larger catch-all, but this actually fits quite a bit. So inside this, I'm able to fit my contact solution, some breath mints. I'm able to fit several travel lipstick. I'm also able to fit my chapstick in there as well. So this has actually proven to be quite useful. And then just to give you a bit of size reference, this fits perfectly inside my Gucci Soho, which I've been using almost every day in the summer. So this is about how big it is. And then it helps keep even if I'm using like a camera size bag, it helps keep it organized. So these days I've been plopping this in there, and I've been plopping this one in there as well as my phone and just some other things, and it helps keep this bag organized. I do have a full review on this bag too, and I'll link that here and down below. So like I said, I actually thought that I was going to use the larger one more than these two, and I've been using these on basically a daily basis, and I'm going to show you what fits inside the larger one next. When I got the larger one, I thought I would use this as a carry-all, and I still will use it as a carry-all inside something like my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I actually got my Neverfull, maybe like 10-15 years ago, like before it came with the extra bag. So this is perfect for tossing in there or any large totes. But otherwise, I actually don't even have like a clutch that's a little bit more casual for nighttime, so I've been using it as that, and I do intend to get the conversion kit so that I can wear it crossbody style. So this bag is large enough to fit an iPad mini. I don't have an iPad mini to demonstrate for you that that's what fits in there, but I've been using it again as kind of a catch-all or a clutch. So if I wanted to, I could just carry in here my phone and then use this one as a catch-all inside of this one. If I wanted to, I could also do my car keys and then also include my phone, of course, and my AirPods, and then do this little card case for my cards, obviously. Another thing I can fit in here is I can fit in sunglasses, my AirPods, the card case, and my phone. So really, it's got a lot more space than I thought it would. Something to note is that it is not completely flat, the envelope style, so you can see that it does expand a little bit on the sides, but it's not going to be like your zippered cosmetic case or anything that's a little bit wider. All right, so let's get into the details. Each Kirigami has the Louis Vuitton logo stamped on the outside, and you'll also find it stamped on the interior. And what's really cute about these bags is that they all have a different lining on the interior. So the larger one has a ballerina pink lining, and the medium one has the lining in red, and then the smallest one, where is it? Over here. The smaller one has like this I'm not sure what color this is. It's like a mulberry color lining that's also really pretty. So I thought that was really cute too. I'm not going to read the sizing out loud. I will leave that in the description box below, along with everything else that I've been showing you and talking about in this video. Then, as I mentioned, when you unbox it, you can nest all of the bags inside each other. So you can have the small one in there and plop this one in there if you want. So you can store them this way, you can carry them with way. I don't know, I just think it's kind of fun and cute. Okay, so let's talk real quick about converting the Louis Vuitton Kirigami. So I have not ordered my conversion kit yet, but I am really excited to do this. So I saw this, like I mentioned, on a couple of YouTube videos, and I started Googling it. They have sets on Etsy, they have sets on Amazon. You wanna make sure when you're getting one of these sets is that it comes with the felt lining on the inside. So you insert the felt lining into the actual bag, and then that'll protect the corners of, you know, the little pouch so that the chain doesn't dig into it. So I think it's kind of cool that you can use these a variety of ways. It makes it one of the most versatile designer handbag purchases that I've made. You know, sometimes you'll get a bag and it's only made for one thing, but there's like seriously so many uses for these little bags. It's really versatile. So final thoughts, like I said, I was really hesitant to buy this because I wasn't sure how much use I would get out of it, but the longer I've had it, the more I'm finding myself kind of reaching for it or using it on a daily basis more often than I thought I would. And with the versatility of being able to transform this into a cute crossbody bag, or, you know, even put a little chain like this, and maybe I can like hook this onto the inside of my Louis Vuitton or another bag. I don't know, there's a lot of creative ways and a lot of good use you can get out of it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would love it if you subscribed and gave it a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm. And up next, I'm gonna see you over in my next video about the Prada SLG, and I know that you're gonna love it. So I'll see you there. Bye.